Assalamu alaikum. Myself Anmol Luhana and I am here to present my final year project which is IoT based baby monitoring system. Welcome to Expo 2020 Department of Software Engineering, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro. My project is IoT based baby monitoring system which is supervised by Dr. Mohsin Memon and team coordinated by Anmol Lohana F16SW75 and Yasir Isla F16SW198. Now the question arises is what is IoT? IoT is Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. So, as we all are very well familiar with the difficulties faced by parents to take care of their babies, and especially in case if both the parents are working, to give 24 hours of time in such cases is next to impossible. Thus, we need to develop something unique that can help parents to have a continuous watch on their babies and can be alert with their conditions at the same time at anywhere. Thus, we have come up with an idea to design a smart system using IoT which will help the parents to monitor their child even if they are away from home and detect every activity of baby from anywhere, any corner of the world. Why we decided to work on this project? The current number of working mothers has greatly increased. Subsequently, baby care has become a daily challenge for many families. Thus, most parents send their babies to their grandparents or to the baby care houses. However, the parents cannot continuously monitor their baby's conditions either in normal or abnormal situations. Parents don't know in what condition their babies are, so that's why we decided to work on this project to take care of babies and take care of their parents' situations. The goal of the project is to create an IoT based baby monitoring system by detecting if the baby is experiencing abnormal conditions. The alert will be generated to notify their parents on their smartphones. Through the generation of an alert, the parents will be have a quicker response time in the event of an abnormality occur, resulting in a healthy and safe life of their child and to take care of their child very well. We have monitored four things in this system: the baby body movement, the baby heart rate, the baby body temperature or room temperature around baby, and the fourth thing is the sound around the baby. So here is our whole system, hardware system. We have used controller Arduino Mega 2560 and breadboard for all connections, and here we used Arduino IDE for the coding of this and connected to laptop for voltage, give voltage to this system. Okay, now first we come up with the LM35 which will detect the temperature. It has 3 pins, one is connected to ground and second one is connected to the voltage and third one connected to the pin, and it will detect the temperature and will give us the temperature in centigrade. Then we come up with the mic which will detect the sound around baby. It is connected to many resistors and transistors just because it may not get damaged from high pitch voice. It will give us the result in voice detected or not detected. Now we come up with the pulse rate sensor, which will detect our heartbeat, baby's heartbeat, and will give us the result in beats per minute. Likewise this, and it has 3 pins. One is grounded, other one is connected with voltage, and third one is connected with the pin. Now MH flying fish, this will detect the motion of body. It will give us the result in angles. It will tell us the position of baby in angles like x-axis, in y-axis, and in z-axis, all the positions, and we will know in what position our child is in. It also have 3 pins. One is grounded, one is with voltage, and other one is with the pin. And then we have used ESP 8266 for remotely control. We control our all system remotely because we want all the results on our mobile phone, so we need this Wi-Fi module to be connected for getting results on our application. We have used one API to connect this with Firebase, and this will send our data, whole data of all the sensors to the Firebase, and we will access the data on our mobile application. Here is our initial integrated prototype. Temperature sensors, movement sensor, heart rate sensor, and other system. Now we come up with our application. So here is our application. We will get notified for abnormal conditions. We will get notification if find. So here is temperature is a little bit high, we get alert. Then we have motion. In motion we will find angles x, y, and z. So here is angles. Throughout this we will find the body position, and here is heart rate, beats per minute, and then we have sound, because here is many sounds, so detected, showing detected. And this is all about our application. The sensors will detect all the data, like here we make our whole system hardware. It will detect all the data and come up with the ID of Arduino, and then we have used API to send this data to Firebase, and then we have used that API to access that data on application. So we get all the data of these sensors on our application and find the results of all sensors, and we have used ESP module, Wi-Fi module, so we can send the data and receive the data easily from Firebase. And to the Firebase we have used an API to send data in Arduino, and then we have used that API in our application so that we can receive the data in our application. And then the one other thing, we have made the application with React.js so that we can use it on iOS not only on Android. That's all about our project. This system is too much complicated, so baby can get hurt by this. We decided to make a smart sock that we can put to baby's feet and control everything remotely. But due to COVID-19 situation, we were unable to get all the components that were required for our system. So we come up with this complicated system. But in future, we will convert this complicated system into a smart system so that baby don't get hurt and system works smartly. And in future we will add some other features like stomach pain, hunger detection, etc. So that all about my project. Thank you very much.